Hello. What's up, guys? What's going on? How are you guys doing today? So today I decided that I want to make some Oreo ice cream. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use. First, here I have my whipping cream, and I got the one with the 35%. I have some vanilla here. I have sweetener, and I have some crushed Oreo right here. So I'm going to use 2 cups of cream. That's 1, and that's 2. So I had 2 cups of cream inside here, so I'm gonna use my mixer and I'm gonna blend it out. Bear in mind, I'm gonna blend it, mix it until it's like fluffy. As you can see, guys, the cream is getting thick. You see that? Look at that texture. So I'm gonna do it for like maybe 5 more minutes. And bear in mind, guys, this is my first time making ice cream. I never tried it before, so this is my first time. I watch one of my fellow YouTuber that cooks, so I'm following his technique. So I hope I get it right. So there you go, that's the cream already whipped. So I'm gonna add my vanilla, my sweetener, and my Oreo. So right here I have some crushed Oreo, and I'm gonna add like I had 3.5 of this teaspoon vanilla, just for taste. 1, 2, 3, and this is the half. So it's 3.5 teaspoons of vanilla. So now I'm gonna add my sweetener, condensed milk. So I add it to the Oreo and the vanilla. So I'm gonna combine them together. So scrape everything, nothing I waste. The milk. So I scrape everything. Now I'm gonna mix this together. Now I'm gonna put it in inside the whip gradually. So that's Oreo. So I'm gonna use my spatula and I'm gonna fold it in. So I'm gonna add some more. Fold it in. So there you go, guys. So that's my Oreo ice cream. Consists of 2 cups of whipping cream, 3.5 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 tin of sweetener, condensed milk, and some crushed Oreos. So guys, I'm gonna pour it into this metal baking tin, because you know metal easy to freeze. So I'm gonna pour it in and I'm gonna put it in the freezer uncovered for like 4 hours. So I'm gonna scrape everything down. Use my spatula, get everything down. Nothing now waste. Nothing now waste. Nothing wasting. So I'm gonna put it in the freezer right now. I'm not gonna cover it. I'm just gonna put it like that and then leave it for 4 hours in the freezer, or maybe overnight. that's the result of my Oreo ice cream. I'm gonna scoop it and let you guys see. So here I have my bowl right here, and I have my scoop right here. So I'm gonna scoop it and let you guys see. So there you go, guys. That's the end result. There you go. So that's my Oreo ice cream, and it tastes real good. For the first time I'm doing this, it really turns out good. So once more, guys, please share this video, like up this video, hit that notification button, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, please go and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'm out. Peace.